Hi, Gina, can I speak to you for a second, please?
Yes, Stefani, what is it? What's up?
Yeah, when I came into your class earlier, I mean, I don't know who it was, so I'm not blaming anybody, but it did seem like some of your students were like making dog noises at me, like they were barking.
They were barking at you. Right, okay.
Yeah, I don't know if I was trying to call me a dog or something, but that was like very inappropriate of them to do so. So if you could have a word with your class, because obviously that is quite hurtful towards me if they are calling me a dog.
Yeah, I'm sure I wasn't calling you a dog, but like, I'll have a word with them. Uh huh.
And like, I know your class don't like me, so that's absolutely okay, but there's no need for them to call me a dog. Okay? It's just disrespectful at the end of the day.
Yeah, I understand that you could be very, very upset about that, yeah. So I'll go have a word with them for you.
All right, guys, listen for me, please. No, 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 no. Okay, listen. All right, I've just had Stefani pull me aside, okay? And she just told me that when she came to the lesson earlier, that it's not funny, that you lot were barking at her, and that she thinks you're insinuating that she's a dog, okay? If this is the case, okay, because she could go higher up and report some of you, and we don't want that to happen, do we? That's not like my class, okay? We're not going to let that happen, right? So if we are barking at other members of staff, okay, it's not funny, okay, so don't laugh, it's not funny at all. If we are barking at members of staff, that needs to stop. We need to put it to rest, okay? Because that's not what we do, is it? No, it's not. We don't bark at members of staff. You were saying roots. Okay, yeah, you were saying roots. Okay, you weren't roughing, you weren't barking. Okay? Right.